Hello student, today we are start our next steroid, oosterone. Oosterone is also known as the estrone. It is the first known membrane of sex hormone. It was isolated by the Buchanan and Dorsey independently in 1929 from the urine of pregnant women. Second point, it is stable white substance existing in 3 crystals from the rhombic metastable. The melting point is 254 degrees Celsius. The monoclinic metastable is the melting point is 259 degrees Celsius. The maximum absorption in the ultraviolet in alcohol is 280 nanometer. Then in next, this is the structure of oosterone. The oosterone contains one alcohol group and one ketonic group. Then next point is the constitution of oosterone. The molecular formula of oosterone has been C18H22O2. Second point, when oosterone treated with hydroxylamine and semicarbazide, it yields monooxazine and semicarbazone respectively, indicating the presence of one ketonic group in oosterone. This is the one ketonic group are present in the oosterone. When oosterone is distilled with zinc dust, it yields the kerosene, showing that oosterone is related to the steroid. Last point, the X-ray analysis of oosterone also revealed the presence of the steroid nucleus and at the same time also revealed that the keto and phenolic group are present at the opposite end of the molecule. Then in next step, the synthesis of oosterone. This is the starting material of oosterone is treated in the presence of Grignard reagent. It gives this bond is removed to the OH and formation of this OH, and this is the CH2 double bond CH2 and MgBr is removed. Again, this compound is treated with this pyridine ring and OH is removed. Then this bond is shift to this carbon atom, and this is this hydrogen and this OH is removed. Then again, in the presence of THOH, this reducing agent, and formation of this compound, and then again this compound is treated in the presence of H2Ni. This is the ranitidine nickel, means this is the reduction compound. Then in the again this compound is treated with H2Ni, then this H2 is removed, that is the reduction and formation of this compound. Then again the oxidation and reduce this double bond and formation of this compound. This compound again treated with the hydrolysis compound and form the oosterone. This methyl group is hydrolyzed with OH. This is the synthesis of oosterone Osteron contain one methyl group, phenanthrene nucleus and one ketonic group. This is the compound of osteron.